Lie to y'all, I literally have no motivation. We're still gonna get it done though, but right now I just laid in bed. I did not have no motivation. All the plants that we need to check on are right here. We're gonna move over there. It's just a matter of getting over there. I'm just gonna drink some coffee real quick because I'm tired. Your girl is tired. I've been working 5 days, y'all. 5 days at Amazon. And if you work at Amazon, you already know how it's going. When you're working 5 days out the week, it's like chores start piling up and stuff. And like, consider them piled because I'm tired. But we're gonna get it done though. First we're gonna go take a shower. And then we're gonna get them in the shower. We're gonna let them sit for a little bit, marinate. And then we're gonna check on all the other ones and make sure all the other ones are good. This is gonna be a nice little long vlog, you guys. I'm trying to aim for like an hour, really. Like how them other people be doing. I can feel the coffee boosting my spirit. You wanna sip? I'm not even really a coffee person, but this morning, yeah, I was feeling it. Majority of everything has to be watered are my snake plants. This is a arrowhead vine or Sigonium. That's a botanical term for it. This one was actually this was a water propagation. It was in water for like a very long time. The leaf is finally unfurling or uncurling. And then, yeah, just put it in some soil. We also have a philodendron. Which one is this? I forgot which one this is, but it is philodendron, you guys. He's actually doing pretty good. He's kind of good on water. So he's actually doing really good. Leaves he's curling at the tip, but he still looks beautiful. So we're gonna push him to the side. Now, y'all, I don't know what is going on with my philodendron melanochrysum, but look, y'all. So this is what the leaf is supposed to look like. You feel me? I think I low-key stressed her out because, or either. And then it was a new leaf coming, but obviously I wanted to repot her. I should just left her alone. Cause now, like, she's still cute though. And I'm still gonna hope and pray that this leaf does unfurl. Cause I paid good money for you. Don't let me down. Look, another leaf she's basically like low-key dying. But it's okay. She needs work. We have an Alocasia Black Velvet. She is dry. I don't know if y'all can tell, but she is dry. So she's definitely going in the shower with everyone else. This is one of her new leaves. Y'all can tell. She's getting. I don't play when it comes to my plants. Scoot over. Y'all gotta bring Kane in here. Kane is really big. He's like 3.5, 4 feet, okay? Bear with me. Oh, that's the perfect view. Oh gosh. Excuse me, I'm sorry guys. Kane, you're in the way. You gotta make some room, guy. You gotta make some room. Sorry, watch your leaves. Alright, guys. So we're in here, okay? We got nothing but space. Let's get. Y'all, when it comes to Kane, I actually wait until his soil is like completely dry. So I'm gonna show you guys. But look at him, ain't no joke. So we have our snake plants. Snake plant, you can really like let them dry out completely. So I have so this is like 2 different versions of snake plants. You got a moonshine snake plant and forgot what this one's called. Also AKA known as the mother's tongue, if you guys didn't know that. Okay. Get all your plants. This is my Alocasia Sarian. Sarian or Sarian? Allocator Sarian. We're gonna put him in here too. Also known as the bat plant. This is my green pothos. If you guys watch my TikTok, I combined these two pothos. So I started propagated one, put it in water, propagated another one, had it in a jar, and then I combined them, and this is what we're looking like. We actually have a lot of people up in here. Then we have our little vine thingy thing. Yeah, I call dibs on the showers. Everybody got any? These are my other two snake plants. Shout out to my Aunt Edith. She gave me one. I actually split them, so this was two. But I mean 2 plants. So I split it. Okay. So this is our setup right now. As you guys see, this is our setup. We're gonna go back outside and we're gonna see if we have anything else that may or may not need to be watered, and then we're gonna come right back. Alright, so we're back in the playing field. We're gonna look, browse. Oh, we do have another snake plant. This one. Moonshine snake plant. And possibly my birds of paradise, but we can't bring her out right now because she's way too big. Like she's not gonna fit in there. So I'll stay right there. Oh yeah. Oh, look at my airplane, you guys. If you guys didn't watch my last video, my previous video, go watch it. These are so, it's literally an air plant. So it's like, it thrives off air. You can't tell me that's not cool. To the salon. Alright, so we got all our plants that can fit right now, okay? This is all that can fit. So we're not gonna do anything extra. All we're gonna do is turn on that shower. Don't make sure the water's not hot. I got you, baby. I got you, baby. Dang. Oh, shit. Fucking bar of soap in here. I got you, babies. Ready? Go! Now that the water's not there. Yeah. And really, all I do, guys. Oh, wait, hold on. I forgot. My snake plants are different. They don't got no holes at the bottom. That's right. About like 7 minutes. Let's just check on them. We're doing good. We're doing good. Hold up. Y'all look a little blurry, don't y'all? They needed this.
We good. Wait.
Wait. Take it up. Come on. Go put it on the shelf. Come on. I made it to our destination, our first destination, our first garden center of the day. We got Tristan. Can you say cheese? This is mine. This is not from your. Oh, look at the dog. Wow. Oh, look. The dog.
Hey, no, the doggy.
The doggy. This is our first. I forgot. I wonder if they'll let you take pictures right here. I think let's go take a picture in that. We're going in the house. We're going in there. Y'all ready? Yeah. All right, let's go. See, this is what I got last time. I got one of these last time. This is the one I got at the house. Oh, look. Let's see if they got on sale. Y'all, look at this. Oh, wow. I want this. I'm gonna get one of these. This is a stag. So. This is $12.99.
What are you looking for today?
I don't know, Mama.
Something that stands out?
Yeah. Something on sale.
Look at these.
Oh, you like those? What color?
Yeah, winter green.
All right, Tristan. I think I've already decided what I'm gonna come in here and get.
Look at all those cactuses.
Remember, I got one at the house.
Yeah.
I just want y'all to see. This is the one we got at the house too.
Fun. It's a new rose.
Tristan. Oh yeah, that's cool. You gotta go on. You're gonna go on the what's it called? On the thumbnail. Should we do a ZZ plant, guys? Okay. For real? Peace lily, you guys. You're looking about $50. You don't see that? You don't see that? $50. You can zoom in like that. Just
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
This is a prayer plant.
Look at that.
Also known as I don't know how to pronounce that, but you guys get the point. I can use some liquor from here.
You want to have coffee or tea?
I'm not sure. We're going for that.
Okay. All right, son.
God, yeah. Okay. Take pictures too. Come on, thumbnail. So many options. $8.99. We might have a winner. We have a winner. Winner, chicken dinner.
Don't touch.
Chicken picture.
Here, you can't touch in here. Yeah? Yeah? Yes. Mm-mm.
No, I really want this. This is earthworm castings. My uncle George is telling me about this. $14.99. Alright, ordered this off Amazon. The car with Phoenix.
If it cuts off, it's here.
No,
You don't want to watch it?
You want to go inside
Okay,
with
we don't want to
you?
watch it. He's being
You want to go
mean.
inside with you?
No, he don't. Made it to the second garden center. We came here last time when we got the air plants. We're going to 3 different ones. I didn't buy the plant I was gonna buy last time because I was just like, no, I'm gonna wait a little bit. But now we're back. We're back and we're better. We're back and we're better. Sure.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go make some coffee and then we'll look around.
We're here all the time.
It's left.
Yeah, it's over there.
Here, you coming too?
Yeah.
All right.
I might give me a Keurig one day.
Is this 4 ounce?
So you do six ounces. Yes.
And go ahead and do we got sugar and creamer?
That's why it says do 6 ounces so it can like even
Okay.
out. And then
Okay. Oh, and then they got these sweet loaves are good.
what is that?
You can put it gets them sweeter. Yeah, you can probably put. Did you get another brownie for me?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. And then
A little stir. Yep. Look. Is there any creamer?
oh, it's right here.
Okay, perfect. Okay, there you go. I thought this caramel brownie's gonna be good. Yeah, you can probably put 2 to 4 of the sweet loaves.
I think they're pretty good. A little bit more sugar.
Okay.
But it's good. I like that. It's really good. I think I like it too.
I've never heard of caramel brownie before.
Me neither.
Okay.
My coffee. Got my coffee. You can tell this is my spot.
Yeah, I like this one the best
Really?
so far.
That's a good picture for the. There we go. Okay. There you go. We got our coffee. We are going to the plant selection. I'm so excited. All right. I really want to get one of these. It'd be the most impulsive decision ever for today. $40. What y'all think? Should we get one? What's Mama thinking? Mama, what's 50% off of?
You should get a little one and decorate it.
You think so? How much are they?
For Christmas. 15.
Mama said getting a little Christmas tree and decorating it, yeah.
15.
They got some new plants.
Yeah.
I got a pink, the pink princess. That's what it looks like.
Oh my god, I love that.
What's a neon pothos, I think? Oh, that's a philodendron. My bad. Look at the Monstera Thai constellations. This is what I want for Christmas. If anybody, this one.
What's it called?
It's a Monstera Thai constellation. I gotta see how much these are because I'm really tempted. Mama, pick out
What
the
are we looking
airplane.
at? The $10 ones or $5.99?
$5.99. Or maybe,
If we
yeah.
can find any.
So I can try to get me a plant. Or I might actually just get, do a $5.99.
If we can find one.
How much is that one? What's that one? This one.
This one? That's the only one that's $5.99. It's well, you just got to airplane. What do you want to know?
No, I really just want a plant, but like, what happened to the fish?
Oh,
Yeah, my fishy died.
I didn't even know. Oh yeah, it's right. Why would you say something? I think those are beautiful.
This one?
Yeah. How much are those? About 25 or something.
24.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really pretty though.
Let's see. Oh, they got some over here. Mama, we might be in luck. $10.
$9.99. I
Ah!
would get one of those. You like these?
That's the same one. They're the same ones, Mama.
Yeah. I love that. Not
We want healthy strings. Want healthy leaves. Put this one to the side.
so pretty.
Cause I want a full looking one, you know.
Oh, look. Oh. Yeah.
So, oh look. Okay, so look.
This one's longer. I like this one. Yeah. Yeah.
You got it. Look, you guys. We got this color. Oh, they had some up here too. Wait. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh. This one.
This one?
I think it's more full. Well, no, this is. I love this. That's so pretty, don't you think?
Yeah.
I noticed you don't go for colors, really.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at the polka dots.
I have this.
Yeah.
It's an angle begonia. I had that at the house. But it's not as full as this one.
Yeah.
I don't really ever go over here. I like trailing plants.
Yeah.
But it's like, I don't know how I'm gonna trail this.
We can hang it.
This is philodendrons.
You buy up one of those hanging things.
I think I have one of these. I really want this one. This is a Sion Blue
Oh, that's
pothos.
beautiful.
I just like plants that like hang, but I don't have nowhere to like put them, you know?
Well, we can make nails or tacks.
Yeah.
Long nails or something. And we can hammer them to the wall and we can hang them.
$29.99. That's $14.99. Oh, this one. Hey, you can throw it that way?
Yeah, I don't see that.
Okay. I'm finna get ready to go. Trust me, I know. I'm very aware. I have a problem, you guys. This is the one I was just finna get. How much do they charge for theirs? $14.99. You see, these people bougie. It's a pretty picture. I think that's it. I think we did good.
Yeah.
All right.
I gotta use the restroom.
We haven't even went to the garden bar.
Where's that at? Is that where you drink?
Yep, that's the last spot.
Okay. You gonna have a drink?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I've always wanted a fern. But you're right, I don't ever get no color, Mom.
Yeah. Everything's always like green or with designs.
That's the aesthetics.
So you can start getting
Let's just start getting color.
here and there, get a color. Yeah. You should definitely get a poinsettia for the house.
Where's the poinsettias?
Poinsettias are these right here. They're Christmas decorations.
Every day, what am I gonna do? Laugh with something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did it get in the first place?
It's a cissus discolor. It's a vining. It's very small, but for it to be really small, like, y'all. She's healthy too, very nice, healthy foliage. We love her. You love her, Mom?
I love her.
Mom helped me pick her out too, so yeah. We still got plant tours to do at the house, and then obviously we're gonna look at our baby and see how she's doing. Didn't take us long. I ain't got no handle. I don't got no handle. Tracy! Your greenhouse, this is where the bar is at. Probably gonna be like, what is wrong with this girl? Be like, I'm a content creator.
What do we do with this?
Y'all. Oh, wow. This one's a... Wow. This is an anthurium.
Rare plants.
I like this one. Look at that, y'all. That's beautiful. Oh, they got air plants here too, Mama.
Oh, these are much bigger.
Way bigger. So you could like see how they have this. You could put them on top of that.
Oh.
Wow. I was only supposed to get one plant, but I got two. Let me show you guys the one we got outside. Now we're gonna call him Gumbo because, yeah, this is Gumbo, y'all. Oh, my baby. She has to come to the house too. They all do. Everybody meet Gumbo. He is a philodendron, green Congo, which is the name Gumbo. We're gonna put him in this. I need something to support him. Actually, y'all, I think the piece I would need that would work. Or should we just let him grow how he wants? I don't know what to do with him. But we're just gonna put him in here. This soil is old. Not ready. Oh, well, you probably don't need to be fine. But y'all know me though, so y'all know me. I'm just gonna go ahead and get it done anyways. Very not no. Don't get too cold. That's what you do. You might need to get. I might get like. I mean, you did already know. It's already in. There we go. Going back in, y'all. So you just, we just fill in the spaces. You know what I'm saying? See if he likes that. Also, I got this $10.99. I got these. We're gonna put her on the cabinet. Good morning, guys. So it's actually the next day. I spent time with the family, and I did not record what my plants look like after repotting them and getting them situated. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like now that they have been potted and repotted. It's a beautiful day outside. The sun is shining. Let me show you guys. Y'all, so this is what she looks like. The monster right there, paradise. I think she is really cute right here. And then this is Gumbo. He's a philodendron, y'all. So I really don't know. And he needs his leaves cleaned. And then I only put this here just for like support because he's all wonky. But he's still cute. He's still handsome. Next thing I'm gonna show you guys. Shout out to my cousin, because look, y'all, she gave me this like soil. It just like measures. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. But first I'm gonna show you guys the grow lights. So look. So it's right here. So I've never had a grow light before. So I got my philodendron at melanochrysum at the bottom. I have, hopefully I said that right. I have my string of pearls. Cause she's been bald forever. And I just want to see if she's doing pretty good though. She's doing really good. And then I have my white princess and my pink princess in one pot together. Thought it was cute. I just wanted to show you guys. Temu, guys. Temu. If you want one, go to Temu. So you just turn, and then the cool thing about it is it has a timer. So you got that, you got this one, and then you got red. But we don't need it right now. It is set for, I think you set it for 9 hours. There you go. Hey guys. Look. Moist. So is that 0? Not in here. Wet. Look, yeah. They're so cool. Y'all can tell this one hasn't been used. Looks dry. Right. Girl. I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more. Thank you. Bye-bye.